Find the perimeter of an adjoining figure which is a semicircular circle including its diameter. This is the diameter of this circle. D. Diameter 10 centimeter. Solution: diameter of semicircle. Diameter of the semicircle is equal to 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Radius of the circle is equal to 10 by 2 centimeter is equal to 5 centimeter. Find the perimeter of a adjoining figure which is a semicircular including and its diameter. Find the perimeter. This is the semicircle. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r and circumference of the semicircle is equal to 2 pi r by 2. Semicircle perimeter of a semicircle or circumference of the semicircle. Circumference of the semicircle. Circumference of the semicircle. Semicircle, half of the circle. Total circle, this. So circumference of the semicircle is equal to 2 pi r by 2. Total circumference of the circle 2 pi r and half मतलब divided by 2. Semicircle, circumference of the circle 2 pi r by 2. 2 to cancel out. 2 to cancel out. This is pi r. Pi r is equal to 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Is equal to 110. Unit is equal to centimeter. This centimeter is equal to by 7 is equal to 15.71 centimeter. 7 1 is 7, 3, 4, 14, 7 5 is 35, 550, 7 7 is 49 and 7 1 is 7 यानी 15.71. Circumference of the semicircle. Circumference of the semicircle. And find the perimeter. Perimeter, circumference of the circle plus diameter. Total length of the semicircle is the perimeter of the semicircle equal to circumference of the circle plus diameter. Perimeter of the adjoining figure is equal to 15.71 plus 10 centimeter is equal to 25.71 centimeter. You will get this answer. Perimeter of the adjoining figure equal to 25.71 centimeter. Question number 8. Find the cost of the polishing a circular table top of diameter is 1.5 meter. If The rate of the polishing is rupees 15 per meter square, taken pi is equal to 3.14. Cost में given है, cost rupees 15 per meter square. 15 per meter square, 1 meter of cost of polishing equals to 50 rupees. So total, find the area of the circular table and given the diameter of the circular table. Solution diameter of circular table, diameter of the circular table is equal to circular tabletop is equal to 1.6 meter. Therefore radius of the circular tabletop is equal to 1.6 by 2 is equal to meter. 1.6 by 2 meter is equal to 0.8 meter. 0.8 meter. Radius of the circular table top 0.8. Radius of the circular table top is equal to 0.8 meter. Area of the circular table. Area of the circular table top is equal to pi r square. 22 or 3.14. 3.14 into radius is equal to 0.8. 0.8 का square is equal to 3.14 into 0.8 into 0.8. Total overall 0.8 into 0.8 is equal to 2.0096 unit equal to meter square. This is the meter square and meter square. Area of the circular table top. Cost of since first answer and second answer. Cost of polishing of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 15. Therefore cost of polishing of 2.0096 meter square is equal to rupees of 15 into 2.0096 rupees is equal to 15 13.14. Therefore cost of polishing of 2.0096 meter square is equal to rupees of 13.14. You will get this answer.